everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video for you guys, and this is the look that I am creating. I freaking love this look. This look is giving me life. This is my go-to look, you guys. So everything that I use today are products that I truly love, okay? I love these products. These are my ride or die products. These are products that I cannot live without these products. And usually when I'm going to like an event, like if I have a special occasion somewhere to go to that I know it might involve me taking pictures, I like to use my favorite products that I know for a fact that's not gonna let me down. My pictures are gonna come out looking bomb and I won't be looking like catfish in person, okay? Like pictures, videos, you know, don't wanna look like catfish. I mean, I feel like this makeup look makes me look like I'm Facetune in real life. Like it's just flawless. And everything just looks really bomb. I love all the products that I'm using. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look and if you guys want to see the products that I use, then please continue to watch this video. And if you enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because if you don't hit that bell, you will not get notified when I upload a new video, okay? So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please continue to watch. And you guys, my braids, I got them a week ago. They're kind of looking a little bit dusty in the front, so I might have to redo them. I don't know. I might have to redo the front, probably. But yeah, I really love braids. Just want to throw that out there. But yeah, this is the look. If you want to see how I got done, then continue to watch. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some Ole Henricksion. Is that how you say it? I think so. Ole Henricksion. So this is their Banana Bright Eye Cream. And I'm just going to apply that under my eyes to brighten up under my eyes. My skin is, actually I should apply my moisturizer first. I forgot to do that. My skin is so dry right now. And then for my moisturizer, I'm just gonna go in with my ride or die product. This is NIVEA Creme. I've been using this for ever. I'm gonna move on to my brows and I'm just going to fill in the bottom of my brows first. And I'm just gonna go in with a concealer that is about a few shades lighter than my skin tone. And this is just going to clean up my brows and also act as my eyeshadow base. I'm gonna go in with some translucent powder just to set and lock that concealer into place. Any translucent powder will do for this. Everything I'm using are products that I really love, like all the main products that I'm using today. So for my eyes, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Blend Palette. I mean, look how raggedy my palette looks. Can you tell that I use this a lot? I use it quite a lot. To blend my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Itsmyrayeraye Bhcosmetics No. 6 brush. I really love this brush for blending eyeshadow. It's absolutely amazing. The first eyeshadow I'm using is Orange Soda, and it's a really soft, like very peachy shade, and I'm just gonna pop that in my crease. So just placing this a little bit above the crease. It doesn't really have a lot of color to it, to be honest with you. Really soft peach. I'm just gonna go back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and I'm gonna grab the eyeshadow Sienna. And we're just gonna place that a little above the crease and blend it into that burgundy. I'm just pulling that up to my brow a bit. Guys, this is my absolute favorite palette when it comes to warm browns. This is the Sassy Siennas by Dose of Colors. The eyeshadows are super pigmented and they are matte and they're so easy to blend. That's why I really love this palette. I use it quite a lot. I'm just gonna go in with the eyeshadow right here, Brassy, and I'm gonna pop that into the crease. And I'm going in with my MAC 217 brush. And I'm gonna go in with the darkest brown in the eyeshadow palette. This is Stay Sassy. My lip color, I'm gonna take the eyeshadow Sunset, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a single shadow. I really like this one. It's a really nice bronzy shade. And I'm just gonna apply it onto my brush. I have no idea what brush this is, you guys, or number. I have no clue. I think it might be, I don't know. I really don't know, I'm so sorry. Now that I've applied the lid color, I'm just gonna go back into the Sassy Sienna Dose of Color palette, and I'm gonna grab the Stay Sassy eyeshadow, which is the dark brown, and I'm just going to reapply that into my crease. I don't usually get super excited about mascaras, but I'm really loving this. The new Bhcosmetics mascara in Bad Gal Bang, and I really love this mascara. It gives my teeny tiny lashes a bit of life. My lashes do still look pretty small, but trust me, it adds just a tiny little bit of drama. I think this is as much as I can possibly get anyway, so this mascara, I'm really loving it, and it looks really good on my bottom lashes because it just adds a little drama to them. I mean, I'm gonna put on false lashes anyway, so I don't really care about the top ones. Now for my lashes, I've been completely obsessed with these lashes. I've been wearing them so much a lot lately. These are the Ardell Lashes in 251. I love these lashes so much, you guys. Like, they've been giving me life. So now that the eyes are somewhat completed, we're gonna move on to skin. This is my current favorite primer. This is the Huda Beauty primer. I really love it because it just makes my skin look super smooth, and it keeps my foundation on a little bit longer. So I just apply a bit of that into my hand, and I'm just gonna apply it all over. I feel like it smooths out my skin too, especially like right here, because I do have a little bit more texture right here than everywhere else. Now I'm gonna go in with my Ride or Die Baby. This is my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I love this foundation so much, you guys. I did a review on this foundation and I still love it. It's still bomb. I've been using it for over a month now and I freaking love it. I'm ready to get a new bottle. It just makes my face, I get so many compliments when I wear this foundation. Like, it looks so flawless and smooth in like real life. Like, it looks super flawless. Not just on YouTube with all the special lightings, but it looks really flawless in person. And I'm just gonna go in with my Huda Beauty brush and apply this all over my face. Make sure you pull it down to the neck. And the shade that I use in the foundation is Tahoe. All right, I'm just gonna apply some concealer under my eyes. I'm using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I don't know the name of this concealer. I'm gonna put it somewhere around here. I can't pronounce it, and I'm not even gonna try and pronounce it, but I'll put the shade name somewhere in the video. But yeah, I really like this shade right here. So I didn't go too light with my under eye concealer. I haven't been going too light lately. So it's probably like maybe a shade or two lighter than my skin tone. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything, and I'm gonna go in with my two powders that I've been using a lot lately. This is the Nye Powder in Banana. Wow, my banana powder is almost finished. I didn't even realize that. And my Sacha Buttercup powder. This one's a little bit more on the yellow side, and this one is a lighter yellow. I can't even give you a reason why I like to mix them, but I've been doing it a lot lately, and I just love the way it looks. You don't have to do this. You can just skip this step. Sometimes I'd be thinking I'm a chemist. I'm mixing up stuff together, and yeah, but it looks really flawless together. Flawless, I can't even talk. It looks really flawless together. I'm gonna go in with my Zoeva 101 brush. It's actually a contour definer brush. It's actually a contour brush, but I like using it to apply my powder. I'm just gonna press that on. Press it in. I don't know what it is about mixing these two together, but it just makes my makeup look so flawless. And I'm gonna go in with my damp sponge, and I'm going to apply that under my eyes, really press it in. And this is just gonna help my eyes from not creasing up. It's actually pretty good. It doesn't crease like crazy. Like, my concealer doesn't crease like crazy at all. I mean, I've had moments where it creased up like crazy, but this method, it's actually working for my under eyes. And then I like to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. It's gonna make me look super smooth. And I'm going in with that same brush. And just apply it along my forehead area. And all over my face. I don't put it under my eyes though. I'm gonna take my matte mineralized skin finish in Dark Deep, and then I'm gonna go in with the Itsmyrayeraye number 3 brush. I use this one to contour. I hope this is the right brush to contour with, but I like it for contouring. I'm just gonna pop that into my cheeks. So I pretty much use this to bronze up my skin and also contour. I don't mind my contour looking more on the warm side. I like it. I know some people don't like when their contour is too warm, but I like when my contour is warm, so I don't mind it. So I just use it to bronze and contour. Apply it along my forehead. Right now my foundation is looking flawless. I'm so extra. Sorry, I get excited over foundation when it looks really, really good. That's when I get the most excited. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my brows and my eyes really quickly. I'm trying to do my brows, you guys, but Tania just got home from school. Hi, Tania. Oh.
Hey, bye.
So you're not gonna say hi?
Oh.
So rude.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Simba. Now everybody wants to say hi. So guys, I'm just filling in the top of my brows. I'm gonna go into the Sassy Sienna eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna grab the darkest brown eyeshadow, this one right here. And I'm just gonna run it along my bottom lash line with my 212 brush. I love this brush specifically for this reason. So I'm just pulling it under my bottom lash line. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. Do you guys see that? Like, look at my hair. My cat is pulling on my hair. Ow, ow, don't pull on my braids. Eyeshadow brassy as well, and run that along the bottom lash line. And I'm just going to just blend that into the dark brown. Pull it down. Really smoke that out. Oh, I love this eyeshadow palette so much. Now for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna take Makeup Forever Starlit powder. It's really, really gorgeous, like a nice yellowy gold, and I just love popping that at the inner corner of my eyes. I'll pop that right there. Oh, yes. Exciting. Oh, yes, girl. Brighten up that inner corner. And I pull it along the bottom lash line as well. And to complete the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara to the bottom lashes. So now that the eyes are completed, I'm gonna move on to highlighter. And a highlighter that I've been really loving a lot lately is the Itsmyrayeraye highlighters. I really like them. They're really pigmented and they look super, super smooth on the skin. So this is her eyeshadow palette, highlight and contour palette. I really love this palette. I use it quite a lot. I haven't done a video with this palette as yet, but it's definitely one of my go-tos and one of my favorite palettes. I will definitely be doing a video with this palette very, very, very soon. I've done looks with it and posted on Instagram, but I just haven't done a tutorial. But this highlighter right here is so gorgeous. It's like a really nice yellowy gold, almost looks similar to what I have in my inner corner. So if you don't have that Makeup Forever Starlit powder, this is actually, you can use this to get that really nice highlight in the corner. Actually, there's the eyeshadow right there. You can use that to get that same look. So I'm gonna go in with her highlighter brush, which I've been loving a lot lately. This is the number 4 brush, and I'm just gonna apply. I'm really, really sorry for the loud noise. Can you hear that? Of course you can hear that. So there's a lot of construction going on in my area right now, so I apologize for that. So it's really loud. Anyways, I'm gonna put that highlighter at the highest point of my cheek. Oh, girl, this is so gorgeous. Like, look at that. So pretty. And I love the fact that it's so smooth on the skin and it's not grainy at all. I hate when my highlighters are grainy. And I'm just gonna blend that out just a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with some blush. I don't even wanna tell you guys what blush I'm using right now because I use the same blush all the time. But then again, everything I'm using today is like my favorite product. So with that being said, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in Radiant. All right guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. I wanted to use my favorite lip pencil, which is Cork by MAC, but I can't use it because I have no idea where it is. So I'm gonna go in with Chestnut. Chestnut's still pretty good. It's just a little bit darker than Cork, And for my lipstick today, I'm gonna go in with a OG favorite. This is MAC Velvet Teddy. I just love Velvet Teddy so much. So I could just leave it like this, but I like gloss on my lips. My lips feel dry. I need some gloss, and I like glossy lips. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Glo Lip Gloss. I love this. It's my favorite. I think I have like so many backups because I keep buying it. And just to set and lock everything into place and to ensure that my foundation, my makeup lasts all day long, I'm gonna use this right here. This is the Scandinavia makeup finishing spray. You can use whatever spray works best for you, but this one right here just really works really good for me. And I probably didn't need that much, but whatever. Yes, Lord, the face is beat. I really love the highlight on my cheek, but it's very yellow and I don't want my nose to be yellow. So I'm just gonna go in with my Amrezy highlighter, which is more like a champagne gold. And I'm just gonna apply just a little bit of that to the tip of my nose. Just like so, like a little light bulb. All right, so I just went off camera, fixed up my hair really quickly. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll see you in another video very soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being patient with me because I know I've been slacking. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.